my best friend and I walking in the park. When we stopped for a break, I just realized that I had lost my favorite watch. We then searched everywhere without success. Finally, my best friend gave me the idea to check the nearest garbage can. And sure enough, in the garbage can that I found, there was my watch, which had been mixed with the trash. So I decided to went the nearest workshop to clean and repair my favorite watch. Thank you.